Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. Now, a video has been going around with a man beating up a nurse. Beat up the nurse. That are more than beat up. You understand me? That are more than beat up. Because you know that are more than beat up. That are almost murder. People, that is almost murder. That's attempt murder. You understand me? This one little lady, according to what news and everybody has been saying, I was not there, and according to them, allegedly, the lady toot her horn, she going to work, and he blocked the road. Apparently she was trespassing. So Jamaica road belonged to him. So he block off the road, and she has no right to ask him to remove himself so that she can get to go to work. So that she not have to depend on a man. Buck up on something like him. You get what I say? And before him go move the car like a decent little piggy, the man went ahead and beat off the lady properly. You hear me say, people? Beat off the lady, threw her down like a rag doll. And if that was not enough, the man put her down, because if you look at the video, she made attempt to get up. And him sit to it that him put on her head. Jesus Christ, God Almighty. Can somebody be so evil? Can somebody be so evil? And that me I say, can somebody be so evil? This man not born from a woman. This me no know of man. Me no know of man. Fit for bring forth man, but me I tell you, me no think this a man a born from a woman. I don't believe so. Me honestly not think so. Because me can't believe it. So the man put on the woman's head. She could have been child. The man put on the woman's head. She could be his child. And step on her head. I saw him treat the lady. Me not even I go bother sing out so she a nurse, you know. Because whether nurse or no nurse, him not supposed to do nobody, so neither man, woman, any man where you see a beat up on woman, so them a weakling. A weak man alone treat woman so. I bet if it was a man, he wouldn't behave so. Eh? Eh, sir? The man take the woman and throw her down like any little piece of old sitting a road. Me never know say you could have chose man. The late, me said the child bounce. And when he thinks that was not enough, me not even gonna talk about the spit in her face, because me never see that. But it is also said that he did that. You understand? And the man think that was not enough. Step in her head. No, sir. Step in her head. How cruel can one be? But me I tell you, our mother fi pray for him. Her mother have to go down on her knee for that man there. Her mother have to go down on her knee. Because guess what happens? Yes, when God deal with you, it's worse than when man deal with you. You see, when God deal with you, our mother must pray for him. Our mother for fast and pray for him, man. And make God fix him. Make God fix him. I hope him not still have gun, because them take out a gun from him. Eh? I know me not hear them charge him yet. Because them the two little charge of them give him. What about attempt murder? Because that is straight attempt murder. Straight attempt murder. Pierre careless people Jamaica have a gun. Pierre careless people. Me unno like to see all him in a film 30s, 20s and 30s. You understand what I say? Because at 65-year-old, you can be acting so careless and irresponsible. What a piece of carelessness. What a piece of wickedness. What a piece of cruelty. And you want to tell me no. You know no mother. You know no sister. You know no daughter. You know no female relative at all. You go in the hospital now. When you're sick, go lie down and lick up in a nurse nose hole. Nose hole. When you're sick, you go in the hospital, go lie down and look up in a nurse nose hole. Are you people them? And it could have been any one of us, nurses. It could have been any one of us. Matter of fact, it could have been anybody at all. Any Mr. Man at all. Any female, any male. I mean, I think he would have run and risk with no male at all. I don't think so. No man, he not try that with. Any man where you see I show them strength upon woman, then I no strength for man. Them not no strength for man, all woman beat at them. Them not no strength for man. One like a baby boy will just born now come and creep after him, he run like a thief. But him have strength for woman. Both him are step in a head. Both him are step in a head. Yeah. My God. I know me can't believe say it real. I know me can't believe say it real. Me just can't believe that. Because for somebody, is this person an animal? Is he a human? For real? Him have wife? Him have wife? Him truly have a wife? Me wonder where the wife there say. Me wonder where, what? I am wondering what is she saying? And what she really go through in a house with him. Look on the man. Look on the big old strong man. Who in a Jamaica back this man? Who in Jamaica backing this man? Causing this man to be behaving like that. Until you see them go on, so them thinks that them is above the law. You understand? Them is above the law. But God I go fix him. The good Lord up above him don't like evil. Him don't like evil. You understand? And this is a big crime. I know me can't come to. People, me want to ask him a question. How many other persons? How many? How many persons? Because a man like him is capable of anything. Thank you.